Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update in this Google Sheet, and at this time we are plotting the exceptions. And based on the criteria, let me get started with from the beginning. So I have added a new 10 points in the trade database. As you can see, these are turned red. So these are not currently in use. The rest of the data points are in use, and there is no selection so far yet for these 10 points. But you can see that the point is starting from 10:30 candle swipe, which is just a random text. And you need to always change these. I need to turn this to red as well. Okay, and it's ending at viewpoint 10. And if I'll go to the AO snapshot, you can see these 10 points are here automatically, and you have nothing. I haven't touched the setup and result and the 3 minutes chart. I have kept those in here because currently we are not using these. So what we can do, we can always group these columns, rows, and we can use this minus button to hide if you don't want to see it, and you will be good to go. But if you want to still see those, you can just click on this plus button and leave those. So what that will do, that will automatically pull all the values from the data points, just like these. The data will be pulled for these 10 as well automatically. Once the data is there, you can see I have added this chart, exception chart in here, and the yellow cells are the cells which you need to make the changes in. Rest of the cells are formulas or the results. So you have nothing to do with those. Just make the changes in the yellow cells. This one as light gray too, and these as light gray too. So let me delete all of these. As you can see, I have deleted all the exceptions selection from the chart, and there is nothing plotted in the exception chart. I'll undo. If I delete these, and you can see I have only selected the LC box is it's an exception if there is a no above, which is here. There is only one. And I will say, okay, break 1, 5, 4, 5 candle is an exception if it is a long. You can select or you cannot, like you can always leave it. If you want to make an exception on VWP, you can always select the available options, which are coming from the input from the responses of the trade database. Similarly, these are the new 10 points from here to there. And you can select the option once the data or entry available for all of these in here, which will be coming from the trade database automatically. So if there will be any new entries on these 10 points on the trade database, those will reflect automatically in here in the selected area, and you will be able to see the available option on under the drop down for each new data point you have added. And once you will select any of these, just like I'm selecting for this one, and you will see the data point will get added. So I have added 1445. I'm going to add the LC range HB, and I'll call it, okay, if this is an exception, if it is an above entry, you can see LC range HB added. Why 2 charts? So these 2 charts are basically the same. This one is a vertical representation. Let me select. So if I'll make criteria for exception for all of these available data points, you can see all of the data points got plotted. And the difference in these 2 charts is that this is the tagline, which is available in front of each data point, and you can see okay to reject. Was trade successful has the highest exception, which is number 10. So this will always be a sorted list and a sorted graph automatically, and you will be able to see the highest number of exceptions at the top, and then gradually reducing, decreasing downward. And this chart is basically on a color. So this is a same color. These are of different colors, with the lighter or the darker node, and the color schemes and the relevant questions are here. So I think this one seems more appropriate. You can always delete this, but I just wanted to give you 2 options so that you can select one of these. So you can just click this and press delete, and this will get deleted. Or if you want to delete this will also get deleted. So that is it. So once you have the option selected for the exception, you can just make the selections in here, and those will get reflected or plotted in here automatically. So that is it. that is the update from my side so far. So please review it and do let me know if you have any other ideas or something. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.